So you mentioned about the radiation and chemo that you did not have to take. So my concern is you call it the mama print?
Mama print.
Mama print. Mm-hmm. So is that just primarily for women?
Well, men have breast cancer, but this is just, that test is for breast cancer. Okay. And let me say this too. It is for early stage. Like I said, you have to know your body. If there is one little strange thing that's going on in my body, I've got a neurologist, a rheumatologist, an oncologist, all types of doctors, and I'll call them immediately and say, well, now some things they say you're just getting old, but you have to know. And so that one is, and that one's for early stage, for anyone who has stage 1 or 2.
Also 2?
Yes.
Thank you.
Actually, I just wanted to address, kind of comment on what you said about how to decipher and which ones are truthful or not. We all been on Facebook, right? Facebook now has feeds of trials for diabetes and some of the other stuff. So me being my own advocate, thank you, doctor, my own advocate, I kind of clicked on it and I signed for them to contact me because they were offering compensation, and that's the first thing that people look at. And surprisingly enough, that was not the thing. I'm always about knowledge and research and finding, what can I promote in the community or what can benefit my medical conditions that I already have. So I clicked on it and I went and researched, and I read that I didn't qualify for it. But I still was going to go through the process because I wanted to see how honest that particular agency was to either try to get me in, seeing that I was not the best test subject that they needed, to see if I would be rejected or say, just come on in because we need to meet numbers. So I went through the whole process. They called me. I went through the whole screening thing, and she says, well, based on what you tell me, unfortunately, you don't qualify because we really need to have people that are on different medication than where you are for your diabetes and a little bit more progressed. You seem to be under control with your diabetes and you're doing all the right things, and lost the weight and everything. So, but if we have anything else, because we do different trials, we'll keep you on our database. And we'll reach out to you. And since that was 2 weeks ago, so since then I've gotten several emails. Now I know that if you do have a study that I could be of any benefit to it, then I can trust you because you rejected me, and I already had done my homework that I was not a good test subject for you. So.
The other thing I wanted to say from a public